Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to bypass Google verification on the Xiaomi Redmi 10. You can clearly see the phone is locked and I would need to provide a pattern or the previously used Google account. There's also a lock icon showing the device is locked from the start. To begin the bypass, I want to connect to Wi-Fi, which I'm already connected to. Once connected, back out, scroll down, select Add Network, then enter an SSID like youtube.com. Type it in, hold to select it, and choose the chain link icon. This opens up YouTube. From here, tap the account icon, then select Help and Feedback. In Help and Feedback, search for Delete or Disable, and choose Delete or Disable Apps on Android. Select the first step under Delete or Disable Apps that you installed. Tap to go to Application Settings, select More and Show System. We're looking for Android setup, so tap on it. Select Disable, which is already disabled, then force Stop and OK. There's a second Android setup, so disable it and force Stop as well. Make sure you turn off both of them. Now look for Google Play services. Select them, disable, force Stop, and OK. Go back and look for Settings. Once you click on it, you can actually open it. From here, go into Additional Settings, then Accessibility. Select Accessibility menu and enable it, then select Allow. Back out, press forward, and you should see a glitch. It gives a message checking for updates and glitches out. Once you see this glitch, tap the little icon and go to Google Assistant. Settings appears briefly, so select it when you see it. This opens the Google Play Services page, and you need to enable it again. This may take several tries, so don't worry if it doesn't work first time. Once enabled, back out and the setup continues. Finish the setup as quickly as you can as the device is still locked. Once you access the home screen, navigate to Settings. From here, select About Phone, then Factory Reset. Erase all data and select Factory Reset again. You'll be blocked by a 20-second timer, so wait it out. Once the timer runs out, click OK to begin the factory reset. The reason to do this, even though you have home screen access, is that the device is still locked. Performing a reset through Settings will remove any leftover data, including the Google account and pattern. Once the reset is complete, you'll be back in the setup screen, but the device will be fully unlocked. I won't go over the reset process in detail as it takes about 3 minutes and shows nothing new. Just go through the setup process and you're done. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe,